Hola todos. This is your explanation for your visual vocab for the environment. This is part 1 of module 4.1. This is our first topic. So in our first box we have ¿Cuál es un problema grave en el mundo hoy? And this box is how we're going to start off talking about what we think is a problem in the world today. So we have a few important sentence starters, and these will remain the same in every single topic. Pienso que, creo que, and opino que un problema grave en el mundo hoy es. So that's going to stay the same across environment, health, and technology. We have a few different ways to say the same thing. La contaminación is cognate for contamination, and it also means pollution. La basura we know is trash, and malgastar is a new word. It means waste. So just wastefulness or wasting things in general. Moving on, we want to be able to describe the problem. Why is it a problem? ¿Por qué es un problema? And here is where we move into third person. We have muchas personas over here, lots of people. We have the no in there because maybe they are harming the environment by not doing something. And then the activities you're going to use with muchas personas will end in N. So we could say muchas personas and then malgastan. Lots of people waste. They waste. On this side, we have la gente. And la gente is people in general. So we will not use the N. So if I want to say people waste, la gente malgasta. And that is it. I would not need to say the N. So we have a few different words over here. We have malgasta or malgastan, which is waste. Tira or tiran, which is throw away. And reduce and reusa are pretty close cognates for reduce and reuse. So we have bolsas plásticas, las botellas de vidrio, las latas, and there are little pictures there to help you figure out what those mean. We know comida and el agua because we've seen those before, and los recursos naturales are natural resources. So one of the other things we're doing is describing the impact or the effects of the problem. ¿Cuáles son los efectos del problema? We have these two sentence starters, impacta and hace daño a. So the problem, it impacts or it does harm to. We have el medio ambiente is the environment. La calidad is quality. So we have calidad del aire or del agua. And then we also have la vida salvaje, which is wildlife. You can add more personalized vocab if you want to talk about its effects on other things as well. Okay, the last part of this unit learning target is to talk about what we can do to solve the problem. So here we have a sentence starter para resolver el problema, and then we have different things, debemos or no debemos, necesitamos or no necesitamos, podemos, no podemos, and tenemos que or no tenemos que. So we're using these things to say things that we should, we need, we can, or we have to do. So that's why these structures are all in their original form. We have ahorrar, to save, tirar, to throw away, disminuir el uso de, to reduce the use of. We know that malgastar is to waste, conservar is a cognate for conserve, and then reciclar and reusar are cognates for recycle and reuse. And then you can add personalized vocab to these sections as you work through some of the activities we do in this module. So the idea of this visual vocab is to help you piece together sentences in kind of like puzzle piece ways with sentence starters and different ways to end it. If you have any questions, reach out to your teacher and be sure to make your own copy of this and then share it with your teacher so they can make sure that you are adding personalized vocab or asking questions about this module.